Did you know you can make your regular shampoo a powerful hair grow boosting with just a few natural ingredients from your kitchen? Let me take you guys through that. So let's make it together. But before that, if you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time crossing this channel, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. I really appreciate you all. Please support me by liking and sharing. They hack my main channel, so right now I'm here to grow this channel. Okay guys, let's start the video. Well, here, as you guys can see, I have my okra gel inside the bowl. Actually, the okra gel, you can boil it, a fresh one, or you also can keep it in. You can boil your okra and remove the gel. You can keep it inside your deep freezer. So yesterday I removed my okra gel from the deep freezer, and now I added 1 tablespoon of honey inside of the okra gel. So I'm replacing it into a hot water. Why? Because I need the honey to melt into the okra gel. So while we are doing it, let us see the okra. The benefit of okra. Okra is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K. It Okra gel is adding sleeping, reducing freezing, and deep moisturizing dry hair. It also strengthens your hair roof and making detangling easier. So now I'm adding my infusing oil. This infusing oil was, I make it for my daughter. I've been saying it in my video. I and my daughter, we don't use the same type of oil, but when I'm making this type of thing, I always use her own oil to make it, because her hair, I don't put in even single joke of her hair. So that's why I'm using her own oil to make this shampoo. But this shampoo, I can use it, she also will use it, because the ingredients from her own side. So now, after I added my infusing oil, 2 tablespoons. If you want to see the infusing oil, please check my description below, or you can check our channel. You will see the video over the infusing oil. You can watch the video also there. Okay, so let's check and see the benefits of this infusing oil. That the infusing oil that I added inside is full of nutrients from herbs, because it was herbs that I used to do it. It also improving scalp circulation, fighting dryness, and locking moisture. That infusing oil, it helps to grow your hair healthy and thicker. So now I'm adding my shampoo, regular shampoo. You can use any shampoo of your choice. The only thing, even if you don't have the infusing oil, but try to get honey and add inside, and get any carrier of oil. You can use aloe vera oil or coconut oil or grapeseed oil or sunflower oil, add inside of it, okay, to change it, to make it into a DIY growing shampoo, hair growing shampoo. So now let's check about the honey. Honey also, honey too is adding moisture to your hair and keeping the hair soft, shining, and hydrate. So if you are adding honey into your routine or your treatment, and also it will help you this softener. Even I've been saying it because, like, I can see my hair and my daughter hair, when you touch it, it look like a cotton, because it's very soft. And I can notice that now my daughter also hair is getting bushy. She's growing bushy, and it's making me so happy. So the shampoo, you can use any shampoo of your choice. That shampoo also is cleaning your scalp, cleaning the build up from your hair. So adding those natural things into it, you turn your shampoo to the treatment shampoo. This is not a regular shampoo again, it's tend to be a treatment shampoo. Please try it at home and come back here to thank me. While you are going to try it, please don't forget to subscribe, like it, and share for me. It's very good. Also, when you are doing it, you know, your hair is getting more soft. You know okra, how this okra it is, yeah. So if you apply it into your hair with the shampoo, I'm sure you will not put even single joke on it again, because you are going to enjoy your hair. Thank you very much for watching. I would love to see you guys in our next video. Guys, I have one thing to put it at the end of the video. Please, they hack my main channel account, so I'm begging you people to subscribe and like for me, and share it also, so that maybe through from your sharing, those who used to subscribe to our channel, they also will find out and know that Princess and her mom and this channel is for us, so that they start to subscribe for us again, because we will have more than 3,000 plus subscribers. Now we are just got zero. Thank you very much for your support. Bye bye.